very cold. And I am using some rocks here to do some short intervals. That was just a little teaser right there. It's a little short rock. Hop up. So where I'm at in my training for my mat sack to Hishi, I know that was a weak interval because I can at least talk. I'm done with the bulk of my training. I had a pretty good base, which, let's see, I can't remember that far back. What was I doing this year? I was cycling quite a bit, road biking, and doing some running mixed in, but road bike's my go-to fitness machine. Nothing beats that workout. So then I was e-biking, doing a lot of that, e-mountain biking. So I got a base in. Then the last 5 weeks or so, I've been doing long intervals, like just below threshold. And these long intervals are usually like 10 to 20 minutes. I was doing a lot of like just straight up hill climbs on foot and getting just long pushes in, followed by some rest. So that really sets me up. This is just a basic periodization type training for short intervals. So I back off the volume, do some really short, intense ones. I'm going to be coming up to a longer scab that is steep. I'm going to be running up that. So probably give me, in this case, I'm doing about 10 to 30 second intervals, just all out. And that really helps push up VO2 max. But since my volume is ramped down, allows for recovery. And then I think next week I'm going to completely ramp down to oh, we got some cowboys marking their territory. Redneck breadcrumbs. I'm always cleaning these up. Oh, there's some more up there. Cans all over the place. At least they make it convenient and it's not too far from the road. Not too far from a motorized vehicle. I think I'm gonna stack it up here and get them Coors Light, typical. So those two right there are what, if you are what you eat, the rednecks are 100% that Coors Light and Keystone flowing through the blood. Coors Light. Yeah. That's what was that, like 30 cents right there? When they threw those out, they were probably worth 5 cents. Oregon kicked it up a few years ago. So speaking of window, my window coming up, I will be in a recovery period and I should start to peak some, and I got a window coming up. The weather is looking favorable. Oh, we got a Christmas tree ornament. Yeah, they just chucked it. This is a fresh one. They chucked it, or that could have been in winter. It was sitting up there. I bet there's at least $50 worth of cans on this road here. Because, yeah, like there's another one. Wait, what is that? No way. Oh, I thought it was something else. It's just a hubcap. Oh yeah, there's another one. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's at least $50 worth of cans. At least 50. So this weather window coming up, I might be going for it here in the next week. Figure I got like a 1 to 3 week window where I'm fit enough, and then weather window, because last night would have laid down some fresh snow, but I gotta wait for that to melt off, because I can't deal with snow on this attempt. So that's where I'm at right now in my training, and I'm about to hit up that bad boy there. See, I already got kind of a stash going here. I'll come back and pick that up with my motorbike or something. Unfortunately, that's not worth much there. Yeah, look at this awesome collection here. Really been enjoying these islands of rocks in the trees out here. You find these little nice pockets of just like fins and things. Not quite as big as the real fins and things, but look at just some really nice rock features. Yeah, like there's another little nugget over there. Let's go scout about. A pretty good rainfall last night, and this thing was dry yesterday. It's not really even a stream. I think it's a snow melt only. And look at that, it's cool. Little foam. Not sure where it's picking up foaminess from. Cool little stream here. Minor waterfalls, little bird baths. Alright, that distracted me from my interval. Here's a different stream, a little mini slot canyon. Might look massive to you on this, but there we go for perspective. Yeah, look at that, sweet. Slot canyon to waterfall. That's a pretty good one. I should have come up here when it was raining. That's going good. Here's a look at that same fall from the bottom. Nice little pool. I should come down here when it's raging and get miniature kayaks, rubber duckies or something. See how they do on it. Sweet. All right, time for another interval. The rocks on the other side better. Okay, finished up my last interval there. Didn't feel the sharpest in those intervals, but good enough. Should pay off with more rest, more intervals. So that'll be a wrap. Let's recap. Did some civic duty, cleanup, was one with nature, the waterfalls, got a good workout in on a very cold day. I'm actually feeling nice and toasty, so good day.